So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis near the 72 rupees level, we have discussed what are the major supports and resistances. So now many people have requested, since the stock has given some very good reversal from the support levels, so we'll try to find out what can be the next possible levels. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about the day-to-day wise deliveries, we can see on 22nd of November, we have seen almost 61.1% in deliverables, and the stock has closed near 70.40 and it has corrected around 3.4%. So we know yesterday we have seen a very huge fall in the market, and many mid caps, small caps, large caps have given correction, but few have remained in the green region. So today almost all the stocks have started reversing, and few stocks have given more than 5%, few have given even 10%. So don't think that market again will start going in the upside direction. So if you want to risk your capitals, just put small amounts, because still above 17,800 only you can confirm that Nifty has started a reversal. So until and then you need to wait patiently, and just you need to invest in some quality stocks, so that too in small portions, so not at all in heavy quantities. So don't rush to buy the stocks. So you wait patiently, definitely you'll get the best value. So seeing the deliverables, we can see on an average basis 40 to 60% are maintained in terms of delivery, so which is pretty good. So this particular stock also has taken its own time. It was traveling in a range, and now finally it has showed some very good momentum. So now let's go to charts. We'll try to discuss both on weekly chart and daily chart. Okay, so if you observe the weekly chart time frame, so clearly I've drawn three levels here. So make sure you're watching these three levels very carefully. So the first important level is the support. So where is the support? So support is coming somewhere around 70 rupees. Okay, and moving towards what are the next immediate resistances. So first resistance is around 79 and second resistance is around 86. So these three levels are going to be important levels, and I can say the stock in the coming sessions maximum it will travel in this particular region itself. Okay, so since we have seen a very good move today, especially 7% move was there. So currently it's still going on, and if you see the near term resistance is around 79. So if it breaks that 79 very well, so then we can expect 86 as the near term target. Okay, so first it should cross that 79 rupees level. So if it crosses that, obviously first target would be 86, and similarly it will start its new journey. So until and then, if you are a safe trader or safe investor, so you can wait for 79 level to break, and then you can have your entry. And coming to support wise, so 70 is going to be a very strong support. So if it maintains that 70, so until and then it will be in bullish region. So if it breaks that, you need to wait patiently. Okay, so money flow index wise, still it's in 89. It has not come down, so nobody is willing to sell it. So that is indicating some strength is present in the stock. Okay, so next moving further towards daily chart. So daily chart, clearly you can see it has taken a very good support near the 69 rupees level. So it is not coming below it, because we have a strong support there. So earlier also it was a resistance for the stock. So now obviously it has become the supports. Almost we can say 2 times considerably the stock has given a support there. And if it breaks that, as I told you, you need to wait. So safe traders, wait for the stock to cross 79 or 80. So then you can expect some uptrend in the stock. So further queries you can ask in the comment section. And also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.